Welcome back for another video. We're going to get into some of the other tools available on the Samsung interactive panels. Right now I'm displaying my computer. Okay, if I'm in here, I got to touch the power button real quick to bring up the menu. And today we are not going, I'm going to hit the restore button because we're not working in what comes off the computer. We're going to look at some of the other things this display board can do. So down here there's a little arrow at the bottom, and if I tap that, I've got a whole bunch of other little tools. Okay. The mini board is just like it is on a display. It's a place where you can take some notes and save it. Note on will take a picture of whatever's displayed here that you can write on. Okay, pages, you can set up different things and go back and forth between them. Selecting is also the same as it is on the computer. It allows you to take a portion of whatever's on the display and save it for later. Okay, we are currently in pen mode, but you could switch to brush mode. If you like. I'm going to stay in pen mode. Palette. Okay, now, unlike when you're taking notes on top of things, you've got a lot more color options and thickness options, right? So I'm going to choose the biggest size I can so you guys can read it, and I'm going to choose red just for fun, and that turned it all red. The pen is the skinny side, the highlighter being the fat side. Okay, cool. So now that I've set it to what I want, I'm going to bring up a math tool. All right, maybe I want a protractor. Okay, so with this, I'm going to move it over here and draw a line because maybe I'm talking about some sort of concept. Oh, that's the highlighter side. Let me flip it over to the skinny side, and maybe I'm drawing a line this way or this way, and talking about angles, right? I can rotate this around, or drag it, make it bigger, make it smaller. Play around with it. There's lots of other math tools down here on the menu. So if that's something you do a lot, I suggest going in and trying it out. And after you make some notes and stuff, you can save it for later, okay? So under pages, currently you can see what we're working on right now. Well, maybe I want to save that and come back to it later. I'm going to add another page, okay? So now we're on page 2, and I can move our view over to that page, right? So now we're seeing something else, and we can go back and forth if we want. And now over here, I'm gonna write about something else, right? So complicated, right? Lots of learning happening here today. Point is, you could save multiple different things at once, and if you want to go back to what you're talking about before, it's there. Minus the tools. The tools just float over the top, right? So we can add pages, we can delete pages. Let's say we go over here to number 2. I want to delete that page. Now it warns you that it can't be restored. Do you want to continue? Yes, I'm going to continue. Page 2 is now gone. Okay? So, some basic note-taking capabilities available. We've got brush mode, pen and highlighter mode. We can select things to take pictures. We can take notes on top of things, right? But most of the time, you're just going to want to control your computer. And if you maximize that, then you can. I'm not currently logged into this computer, so we'll save that for another video. Thanks.